My name is Kristen, and if you are new here, I make videos about motherhood and lifestyle, and today we are doing a day in the life video, and I actually am in my office right now editing it, and I realized the intro to the video the video quality is so bad. I was like, I need to refilm it just like on my camera or like on my phone because it's just like really dark and kind of fuzzy. I don't really know what happened. So yeah, so here we are. And side note, I'm sure you noticed this. I have a fat lip, which I don't think I've ever had a fat lip, or at least for like the past 20 years. So today was a very exciting day. My son accidentally, I'm assuming, no, obviously he accidentally threw this, and he was probably about like, I don't know, maybe 6 to 8 inches away from my face, like right here, and he chucked it. It's a glass like roller ball thing for like essential oils, and right at my face, and it gave me a huge fat lip and a big bonk on the lip, and yeah, so blood went everywhere. It was very traumatic for me because Mac he was like, and like didn't even notice, but I was like, oh my God. But it looks okay. I have a tiny little gash and I've been icing it all day, so hopefully it will just go away soon. So if you see my lip looking very strange in the next couple of videos, that is why. And I'll probably explain it in my other videos too, because it's a bit shocking when you see it. But anyway, so this day in the life is going to be fun. Just a relaxing day in the life with Mac and I. We went to a local farm. We baked apple crisp and just kind of hung out with our dog Henry and chilled in the yard. So yeah, I hope you enjoy and come hang out with us. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, leave me a comment down below. Have you ever been hit in the lip by your toddler with a essential oil rollerball thing? Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, so let's get into it. All right. How was your breakfast? Was it good? Oh, I see those teepees in there. So I'm thinking we go get ready, then we go to the farm, get some apples. Want to see the goats? Let's go. All right. Mac, what are you doing? You're hanging out with Henry. Let me see your outfit. Oh, be nice. Be gentle. Are you wearing a Mickey Mouse outfit? Be gentle. Okay. Mac, come here, look. Come see Mama. Come chase Mama. Come on. Come this way. Oh, come on over here. No. Be gentle. No. Okay, come here. Hey, nice Mickey Mouse outfit. Wow. You ready to go to the farm? You're looking very cute this morning. I think we need to get some shoes on, then we'll go. Ready? Let's go. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you my jean jacket. I love it. I got it actually for my wedding. And I still wear it all the time. I can show you the back. So I know you can see it. It says, it's embroidered and it says, here comes the bride. I feel like it's still okay for me to wear it, right? Matt, what are you doing? Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Anybody else's toddler obsessed with the toilet handle? Fun stuff. Matt, hey. No, 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 no. Let's go. So we are about to make some apple crisp. Let's go. What happened? Did you fall out of your chair? All right, guys, so apple crisp is in the oven. We're hanging out upstairs in our spare bedroom. So this room basically haunts me in the night because I want to redo it so bad, and it just has all this stuff. I can show you real quick. It's just kind of like the place where we keep just like nothing. It's like where I fold laundry. It's like where I fold laundry on the bed, and it has like these amazing windows and light. So my plan this winter is to redo this room. It's kind of just like, we're gonna redo this dresser, the 2 bedside tables. But Mac likes to kind of run around and play in here. That's a bunch of clothes that I need to donate or get rid of. Those are some foam letter squares that Mac doesn't really like to play with. Sometimes he just throws them around, so I'm not really sure what to do with them. But yeah, so Mac is in a better mood. He was not too happy. He squished his finger in a drawer, cabinet drawer, while I was in the kitchen while I was making the apple crisp. And he wanted a bottle. He's just kind of I think he's tired and his teeth are bothering him. And I think it's just one of those, I don't know if it's like toddlerhood. I'm like all new to this, so let me know. He just is kind of grouchy today, but he seems to be feeling better. Kind of like a lot of different like ups and downs. Sometimes he's happy as a lark all day, and then sometimes he's kind of like, I can't deal with you today, Mom. So, I don't know. But, are you playing with my essential oil? It's closed, don't worry. You can't unscrew it, but. Yeah, what do you think? Should we go check on the apple crisp? Yes, come on. Can you give Mommy a smile? Oh, little smile. I saw one. Thank you. Guys, look at this. Oh, yum. Apple crisp just came out of the oven. Just FYI, I did not bake it with the top on it, but I'm just